Okay, everyone. So, welcome back to the second affirmation audio in this series. The theme today is going to be a belief in what you offer, the products that you have, and also your worth as a business owner, as a boss, as a CEO, and as a maker. So, again, I want you to take a big, deep breath in and release it out. You can sigh if you want to, you can go whew if you want to, or if you really need to, you can scream, depending on where you are right now. So as always, you can just listen to this and let it wash over you, or preferably, I would love it if you can repeat each phrase after me, either out loud or in your head. Let's get into it. My products are valuable and meaningful. What I create brings joy, beauty, and usefulness into the world. My handmade work deserves to be seen, valued, and purchased. I honour the time, skill, and heart that goes into everything I make. My products are not just things, they are experiences. People want what I offer. I create products that people are excited to buy and gift. My creativity is my superpower. I get better and better every time I create and sell. Selling is simply sharing my passion and gifts. My pricing reflects the true value of my work. I am worthy of charging what my products are worth. When I sell, I serve, I help, I delight, and I inspire. Every small tweak I make brings me closer to my goal. I am always learning, growing, and improving. I attract customers who love and appreciate handmade work. It's safe to be proud of what I sell. I believe in the transformation my products offer others. People want quality, care, and meaning, and I provide all three. I don't have to convince anyone to buy. I simply invite them to. My products make a difference in people's lives. I am proud of the shop, the products, and the brand that I am building. What I sell is needed, wanted, and loved. There is no one else who can create exactly what I do. I bring a unique energy to everything I make. My creativity flows naturally and abundantly. Each product is a stepping stone to greater success. I don't fear competition because my brand is one of a kind. Every product is a new chance to connect, inspire, and sell. Customers are drawn to the love and energy in my products. It's safe for me to be visible, valuable, and successful. I am proud to sell what I make. I am creating irresistible offers that light up my dream customers. I am ready for more visibility, more growth, and more sales. Okay, everyone. So that draws the conclusion to the second affirmation audio. Take a note of how you feel. I would love to hear what you have to say in the Facebook group. And if you're not currently signed up to the challenge, I'm going to leave the link below, depending on where you are consuming this. We would love to see you in there. The challenges are completely free. They are life-changing. They are bloomin' awesome, if I'm being honest. So we would love to see you in there. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you in the next one.